Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I will show you that how to add notes to your Instagram reel. So let's start. Click on reels. Once you open it, then click on share option. Here you can see add notes. So click on it and then write just what you want to write. I just put emojis and then click on share. But remember one thing, that sometimes this option is not working because it's all depend on content creator that he allow it to you or not. But I will also teach you that how will you manage your own reels, that you will allow someone to add notes or not. So for that, click on menu, then click on three slashes on the upper side. After then scroll down and here is the option sharing and refuse reuse. So click on it. So here you can see the all option are there, notes on post or reel. So if you want to close it, then click on it, and if you want to open it, then click on it again. So you can see that it is a very easy method. So for more informative videos like this, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.